I do like children.
Thamos the tank engine has worked his branch line for many years and knows it very well. The house rocked. Gordon was resting in a siding. Sus. There was worse to come. You are a very naughty engine.
Cheer up, smiled Edward. The fat troll has worked for you at his new harbour.
Henique was ready at 5 o'clock. There was snow and frost and frost and frost and frost. Men hustled and shouted, loading the vans with crates of Sercy. Do not fash yourself, Thamos. We'll soon have you back on the rails. They laughed. Look what you've done to Bob. Breakfast. She banged the door. More plaster fell. This time, it fell on top.
Who needs rails? He muttered cheerfully to himself.
Fast asleep, PC Snooze is now sliding down the hill.
PC Snooze! No!